come?
The potato is quite dirty, so I will wash it clean. First, we'll peel the potato skin. Now put it into boil. Pour water into the pot. Boil in 15 minutes. Put it in a bowl once the potato is boiled. Next, we'll mash the potato. Some black pepper, salt, and flour. Mix everything together. Okay, we're done. Now let's cut the onion into circles. Remove the onion skin. Into large pieces. We will only use the outer layers to make the potato donut. Take some cheese from the fridge.
Ooh.
Cut the cheese into small pieces. We'll wrap the potato and cheese in the onion slices we just cut. Then, coat it in crispy frying batter. Flour, yolk, fried flour. First, coat it with a layer of batter. Next is the egg yolk. And finally, the fried flour. Okay, we're done. It's time to fry. Add cooking oil to the pot. Put the donut in when the oil is hot. It's really delicious. Time to eat. Can't forget the ketchup to go with the potato donut.
Wow!
The potato donut is very crispy and tasty. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Mini Yummy love you.